Hello everybody, today we are together with 10th grade questions. Have a nice watching. And on the question says, solve the equation negative 2x squared plus 17x is equal to 21. So first here we have to write the expression in quadratic equation form. To write it, I will take 21 to the left side. So it's going to be negative 2x squared plus 17x minus 21 is equal to 0. So to get rid of negative 2x squared, let's make it positive. I will multiply both sides by minus. When we multiply both sides by minus, minus times minus 2x squared is positive 2x squared, minus times plus minus 17x, minus times minus 21 will be plus 21 is equal to 0 times negative is 0. Okay. So to find it, actually we can use quadratic formula, but instead of this, first let's try factorize method. So to use it, 2x squared is 2x times x, and 21 will be minus 7 times minus 3. So I will multiply first 2x and minus 7, which means a negative 14x. X times minus 3 is minus 3x is equal to minus 17x. So here is, we got the middle term, negative 17x. And after that, I will write 2x minus 3 times x minus 7 is equal to 0. So it means that this quadratic equation has two linear factors, such as 2x minus 3 and x minus 7. We know that in this case, each linear factors must be 0. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. From here we will get for x is 3 over 2, and x minus 7 is equal to 0. For x is, we will have 7. So for x we have two different values, 3 over 2 and 7. Here on the second question, x1 and x2 be roots of the equation x squared minus 8x plus 5k is equal to 0. And also given x1 is equal to 2x2 minus 1. And we have to find here the value of k. So we have two steps. All we need to do is follow these two steps. And before getting started, let's remember the Vieta's theorem. What is Vieta's theorem? We can find sum and product of roots with given standard equation. So to find sum of roots, we will have as minus b over a. The product of roots is c over a. Okay. And here first I will take a sum of roots x1 and x2. x1 plus x2 is equal to minus b over a. So by the way, it is the first step. So x1 plus x2 is minus b over a. But for x1, as we can write 2x2 minus 1 and plus x2 is equal to minus, what is b? Negative 8 over 1. So 2x2 plus x2 is going to be 3x2 minus 1 is equal to plus 8. 3x2 is equal to 8 plus 1. So we will have for x2 is 3. If x2 is 3, to find x1, I will write in the place of x2 is 3. So x1 is equal to 2 times 3 minus 1, which happens to be 5. It's pretty much common sense. So for the second step, I'm going to use the product of roots. x1 times x2 is equal to c over a. And what is the value of x1? Is 5. The value of x2 is 3 is equal to c over a. See here the constant term. It is 5k over 1. So 15 is equal to 5k. To find k, we will divide both sides by 5. 15 and 5 cancels each other out. So it's going to be 3. Okay, by the way, we found